Imagine you deposit $10,000 at 2% interest. In year 1, you earn $200. In year 2, you earn interest on $10,200, so $204. That extra $4 may seem small, but it stacks over time. With annual compounding, the account grows to about $12,190 in 10 years and $14,859 in 20 years. Compound interest is when you earn money on the amount you put in plus the interest you've earned. Here's the key idea. Your ending balance depends on your starting amount, your rate, how often interest compounds, and, most importantly, how long you leave it alone. Compounding can feel slow early on, then more noticeable years down the road. How often does your money compound? Some accounts compound annually, others monthly or daily. More frequent compounding can increase your earnings even if the stated rate is the same. That's why APY, annual percentage yield, matters. It reflects both the interest rate and compounding schedule, so you can compare products more easily. Compound versus simple interest. $5,000 earning 6% with compound growth over 25 years could grow to just under $22,000 without adding more money because the returns keep building on themselves. With simple interest, you're only earning on the original $5,000, so the example ends around $12,500. Same starting amount, same rate, very different outcome because compounding keeps expanding the base you're earning on. Now zoom out to retirement saving. Imagine investing $500 a month starting at age 25, assuming a 6% annual return. Over 40 years, that scenario could end up near $1 million, showing the potential impact of time and compounding. The earlier you start, the more years your money compounds. A 50-year-old saving $100 a month in an account paying 2% could end up with about $13,272 by age 60, assuming monthly compounding and no withdrawals. But if she'd started the same habit at age 30, the example shows about $49,273 by age 60. Same monthly contribution, just more time for earlier deposits to earn interest on interest. Compound interest shows up in savings accounts, CDs, money market accounts, zero-coupon bonds, and dividend reinvestment plans. A practical next step is to compare APYs, understand the rules of the account, and run your own scenarios with a compound interest calculator. For more insights, visit westernsouthern.com and consider speaking with a financial representative if you want guidance tailored to your situation.